So when you decide to run for office, for Supreme Court Justice, I'm always curious how it affects the day-to-day life of a district court judge because, as you know, oftentimes the right decision is, not very popular. So do you ever find yourself, once you decided to run for Supreme Court, does the thought ever creep into your mind, if I make this decision, it's going to show up on an attack ad somewhere?
So I had a child sex abuse trial in the fall that wound up in a mistrial. We had one juror who did not vote to convict him for reasons we can get into later if we have time. Those victims do not want to come back to Montana to testify again. The state and the defense entered into a binding plea agreement, meaning I have to follow it or we go to trial. The binding plea agreement was for 40 suspended years. He will never spend a day in prison for this, okay? So my option is to either follow the plea agreement, give him a 40-year totally suspended sentence, but he's under supervision. We're going to proceed to trial. And when those victims don't show up, the case gets dismissed. That's the choice hearing.
Cry.